How does one transform an old T-shirt into a multi-purpose household item? Turning an old T-shirt into a multi-purpose household item isn't just a clever craft. It's an enthusiastic step toward sustainability and creativity. In a world where fast fashion contributes to massive textile waste, embracing upcycling practices not only extends the life of your garments but also introduces uniqueness into your home. Whether transforming that faded tee into a cozy pillow, a chic tote bag, or even a handy cleaning rag, the opportunities are as limitless as your imagination. Utilizing T-shirts in this way isn't just thrifty. It's a positive, earth-friendly choice that allows you to personalize your space while minimizing waste. Through this simple transformation, you'll discover practical uses for materials you already have, liberating your artistic side and taking a proactive stand in preserving our planet for future generations. Why upcycle old T-shirts? Have you ever looked at that pile of old T-shirts and wondered if there's a better use for them than just adding to the landfill? Upcycling offers a creative solution that not only benefits the environment but also taps into your own creativity. Let's discover why upcycling old T-shirts into multi-purpose household items is not just a smart choice but a rewarding endeavor. Environmental benefits. Upcycling old T-shirts is a step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Did you know that textile waste contributes significantly to landfills? By reusing and repurposing these old garments, you help reduce the burden on landfills and conserve valuable resources. Unlike recycling, which often involves breaking down products into raw materials, upcycling transforms them directly into something new and functional. This means fewer greenhouse gas emissions and a reduction in harmful pollutants. Boosting creativity. Transforming a T-shirt into something new can ignite creativity like nothing else. Think about it. With just a pair of scissors and your imagination, that old concert tee can become a stylish tote bag or a set of colorful pillow covers. The possibilities are endless, and the process itself is a joyful experiment. Unleashing your creative potential not only produces unique items that reflect your personal style but also provides a fulfilling sense of accomplishment. Economic advantages. Let's not forget the economic perks. Why spend money on new household items when you can craft them for free? Upcycling helps you save while also giving you the satisfaction of making something with your own hands. By repurposing old T-shirts, you also avoid contributing to the demand for new products, which often involve environmentally damaging manufacturing processes. Personal satisfaction. There's something deeply satisfying about upcycling. It's about giving a second life to something that might otherwise be discarded. It's your chance to make an impact, however small, in the larger fight against waste. Plus, each creation is distinctly yours, a testament to your problem-solving skills and resourcefulness. Whether you're crafting alone or turning it into a fun family activity, upcycling offers a personal connection to the things we create and use in our daily lives. Remember, upcycling is more than just a trend. It's a movement towards mindfulness, sustainability, and creativity. So, the next time you find an old T-shirt lurking in your closet, think about how you can transform it into something beautifully useful. Preparing your old T-shirt. Are you ready to give new life to those old T-shirts that are tucked away in your drawer? Transforming a T-shirt into a useful household item is not just a creative endeavor, but a fun way to recycle too. Here's how you can start the process, making sure your T-shirt is ready for its second chance. Choosing the right T-shirt. First things first, picking the perfect T-shirt. Not all T-shirts are created equal when it comes to upcycling. Think about the fabric type. Cotton is a top choice because it's soft, flexible, and absorbs dyes well. It's like the versatile paintbrush of your upcycling toolkit. Look out for T-shirts with no heavy prints or embellishments, as these can add unnecessary weight and might get in the way of your project. Also, consider the condition of the T-shirt. A T-shirt with small holes or frays is still usable, but if it's on its last legs, like our socks before laundry day, it might not be the best pick. You want something that maintains its integrity, ready to be molded into something new. Cleaning and ironing. Cleaning the T-shirt is like preparing a blank canvas. Imagine trying to paint a masterpiece on a dirty surface. Not ideal, right? Wash your T-shirt thoroughly to ensure it's clean and fresh. This step is vital, especially if you plan to gift your creation or display it around the house. After washing, give it a good ironing. Ironing removes those stubborn wrinkles that could make cutting and sewing much harder than it needs to be. Think of it like smoothing out the road before a bike ride, ensuring a smooth journey ahead. Ironing also helps in maintaining the fabric shape, which is crucial for any precise work you plan on doing. With these steps, your old t-shirt is prepped and ready. The possibilities are endless when you start with the right materials and a clean slate, setting the stage for creativity to flow. Creative transformations, old t-shirts can be more than just forgotten wardrobe relics. With creativity and a pair of scissors, they can breathe new life into various household items. Whether it's through crafting, sewing, or cutting, transforming a t-shirt can save money and add a personal touch to your home. Let's explore some delightful ways to repurpose those forgotten pieces into something useful. T-shirt yarn. Have you ever thought of turning a t-shirt into yarn? It's a simple process that opens up a world of crafting possibilities. By cutting the t-shirt into thin, continuous strips, you can create a soft and stretchy yarn perfect for knitting or crocheting. Projects like cozy rugs or colorful baskets become achievable and add a homemade warmth to spaces. The tactile texture adds a unique flair, making every creation one of a kind. Cleaning rags. Tired of wasting money on expensive cleaning rags? Look no further than the spare t-shirts in your closet. By cutting them into squares or rectangles, you have a durable and effective cleaning rag. They're perfect for dusting, scrubbing, and even polishing. Unlike regular paper towels, these rags are washable and reusable, making them both eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Why buy what you can easily make at home? Tote bags. Imagine transforming your favorite t-shirt into a handy tote bag. The process is surprisingly simple. Just cut off the sleeves and neckline, turn it inside out, and sew the bottom shut. You now have a perfect reusable bag for groceries, books, or a day at the beach. Personalize it with fabric paint or embellishments to make it uniquely yours. Functional and trendy. It's a crafty way to carry your essentials with style. Pillows and cushions. Why buy new pillows when you can create them from t-shirts? Sewing t-shirts into pillow covers provides a comfy and decorative option for your home decor. Cut the t-shirt into the desired shape, sew it, and stuff with filling. It's as simple as that. The soft cotton fabric of your old t-shirts makes for a cozy addition to couches or beds. Whether you want bold patterns or subtle hues, the choice is truly in your hands. Pet accessories. Ever considered making something special for your furry friends? Old t-shirts can be transformed into delightful pet toys or cozy beds. Twisted into knots, they create chew toys that are fun and safe for pets. For a pet bed, fill the sewn fabric with old clothes or cushions for an inviting spot they'll love to snuggle into. It's a loving way to pamper your pet without spending a fortune. Repurposing old t-shirts not only breathes new life into unused garments but also contributes to a sustainable lifestyle. With just a bit of time and creativity, everyday household items become personal expressions of style and resourcefulness. Why not raid your closet and get started on a fun project today? The possibilities are endless. Tips for successful upcycling. Transforming an old t-shirt into a useful household item doesn't just bring creativity to your space, it's also friendly to your wallet and the environment. Upcycling old clothes can turn simple tees into practical and stylish decor. Whether you are new to crafting or a seasoned pro, understanding some essential techniques can make your upcycling journey smoother and more enjoyable. Basic sewing techniques. Let's begin with some basic sewing skills. If you don't own a sewing machine, don't worry, hand sewing can be just as effective. You'll need a needle, some thread, and a few simple techniques. 1. Running stitch. This is your go-to for straight seams. 1. It's like the skeleton of sewing, simple and sturdy. 2. Backstitch. Adds extra strength to seams. 2. Picture it as a reinforcing backbone. 3. Hemming. For neat edges without fraying. 3. It gives your project that polished, finished look. With these skills, you're well on your way to turning that old t-shirt into a tote bag or a cushion cover. Using fabric glue. Not a fan of sewing? Fabric glue can be your new best friend. It's perfect for those who want a quick fix without the fuss of needles and threads. Here's how it can work for you. 1. Apply along the seams. Just like painting a line, use it to hold edges together. 2. Press and hold. Make sure to press the glued parts together for a snug fit. 2. It's like magic. It sets quickly and holds tight. It's an ideal solution for decorative projects, like making wall hangings or even small baskets. Adding personal touches. One of the best parts about upcycling is making something uniquely yours. Personal touches can turn an everyday object into a piece that reflects your personality. Consider these ideas. 1. Iron-on patches. Add some flair with colorful patches. 1. It's like putting your signature on the project. 2. Paint and dyes. Use fabric paints to create patterns or designs. 2. Imagine the t-shirt as your canvas. 3. Embroidery. A needle, some thread, and a little patience can weave intricate designs that tell a story. Don't be afraid to mix and match materials and methods. Let your creativity shine through. What better way to express yourself than through upcycled creations that not only serve a purpose but also carry your personal touch? Transforming old t-shirts into multi-purpose household items. Reimagining what your old t-shirts can become is not just about creativity. It's about practicality, sustainability, and a bit of fun. Turning that once favorite tee into something entirely new is like giving it a brand new life. Let's explore why you should dive into this DIY adventure. Breathing new life into old t-shirts. When it comes to revamping those old t-shirts, the opportunities are endless. You can transform them into a diverse array of items for everyday use. Consider how versatile and valuable these projects can be. Eco-friendly approach. Repurposing t-shirts helps reduce waste by minimizing the amount of fabric that ends up in landfills. It's an easy step toward a greener lifestyle. Budget-friendly DIY. Who doesn't love saving money? By recycling your old t-shirts into household items, you avoid purchasing new products, keeping your wallet happy. Endless creativity. Your old t-shirts can become anything from cozy quilts to cute pet toys. The only limit is your imagination. Feeling crafty? Why not try making a unique wall hanging or a practical tote bag? Customized creations. Personalize your space with items that reflect your personality. Making something with your own hands carries a special charm, adding character to your home. Encouragement to get started. Thinking of embarking on your own t-shirt transformation journey? Here's a gentle nudge. No skill required. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, repurposing old t-shirts is a beginner-friendly project. All it takes is a bit of time and a touch of enthusiasm. A fun family activity. Why not gather your family and turn this into a group project? It's a wonderful way to bond and create memories, all while doing something positive for the environment. Discover a new hobby. Who knows? This could awaken a hidden passion for crafting or design. The joy in seeing something you made from scratch is truly rewarding. Next time you're about to toss that old shirt, pause for a moment. Think about the endless possibilities it holds. Engage your creativity and see where it takes you. Transforming an old t-shirt into a multi-purpose household item isn't just a task. It's a transformation, both for the item and perhaps even for you.